Hello traders, and welcome to this week's market outlook from EXNESS. I'm Michael Stark, Financial Content Leader, and in this video I'm going to be giving an idea for a trade over the next few days, what narratives might drive the possible movement and what traders who were to take the position would need to be aware of in terms of news and data. But before that, let's look back at last week's idea and see how that one did. Last week, the idea was a potential sell for euro-dollar from the area around 104.5 with a potential target around 103.5. The idea was fully accurate and then some, with the price currently trading around 102.2. This week, the idea is a possible buy for gold. We can see that gold has been moving recently in quite a strong uptrend. Last week, it reached a new all-time high, and it's possible that this uptrend could continue. However, traders would need to be aware of overbought conditions based on the slow stochastic and Bollinger Bands. So it might be wise to wait for some time to find an appropriate place to enter lower. One of the primary narratives driving the possible movement up by gold in the near future is the new trade war between the USA and various other countries. American tariffs of 25% have been levied on Canada and Mexico, 10% on China, and more are almost certain to come for the EU. This is broadly positive for gold because in times of economic uncertainty and trade wars, usually the metal finds support as a haven. The critical release to be watched by traders this week is non-farm payrolls and unemployment rate from the USA, which is coming out on Friday. If this release is better than expected, it might challenge the idea that gold could make gains and the yellow metal could retrace, at least in the short term. In summary, the idea for this week is a possible buy for gold with a potential target above the earlier all-time high of around 2,820. Main narrative driving gold's possible gains is the trade war between the USA and various other countries, and the critical release to be monitored this week is the American job report. Please remember that it's just an idea for a trade. It's not a signal, it's not a guarantee of success. You always need to do your own research and manage risk.